All right, well, we are back in 7-3 Garage today, and we will be stripping down this steering wheel that I got for a customer. So the way that I do this is I've already got the template made, mainly for keeping the original pattern. But just like I do anything else, you come right down the stitch line with a razor blade. And we come through and we carefully remove all of the old stitching. See, just right here. There is staples in there in some spots, so we'll have to come through and remove those. And then Ford did actually have two different styles of steering wheels for this year. I don't know why, but they have a place for the pleat on this one, which is the one that I prefer because it's easier to stitch everything. And then we have another style of wheel that doesn't have that pleat on it. It's just, like I said, it's just two different styles. I prefer, like I said, I prefer this one. It's easier to sew. They did put this backing tape on the inside of it. I don't use that. Just use glue. It's just factory stuff, that's all it is. All right, so come right in here. And we'll cut that old nasty stitch out. Alright, I gotta go get a picking tool. It's actually the same tool that I use to sew with. So we're gonna come right in here, pull out these staples. There's one, another one right here. And they come out really easy. Again, they got that reinforcing tape. And you'll find the more you do these, the easier it gets. All right, so this will get the cover right off. Voila, just like that. Old nasty cover's gone. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, you've never done it, this is what your template is. And you see the issue, right? So the best way to do that is you come through with measuring tape and you measure on the outside radius. And that'll give you exactly how much material you need. All right, so now we're gonna flip it upside down. And in here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hex tool pieces. And this is for the back of the steering wheel. So let me get my tool out. Let me find it first. looks like, let's see if this fits. Can't remember exactly what size. Alright, so it is not a T27. T25 probably. Yeah. So inside here you get a T25 with an extension on it. Come right in here. And the reason you have to do this is your leather has to fit around this backside. And I clean these up too. Sometimes I leather these. But you have to do some minor trimming if you're going to do that. And if you're removing the whole steering wheel, that's a whole other process right there. These are the trim tabs you need to be careful of when you're removing your steering wheel. As you remove it out, you're going to try to pull up. Don't pull up. Pull from the back side of the cover and away. That'll take away the steering wheel. So these are all dirty and nasty. I like to clean these up. And so is this. It's just disgusting. So go off camera real quick. I'm going to clean these up and I'll be right back.